Hi guys, in this video we will see possible solution of error DUP name error code 52 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error DUP name on your Windows 11 10 system, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. And from the left side, go to Windows Update. And thereafter from the right side, click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error code appear on your system. And the next workaround is right click on start button and settings, choose settings, and here from the left side go to system. Thereafter go to right side, scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will find the option about. Click on about. Here click on rename this PC, and you can use a combination of letters, hyphens and numbers. Choose your device name, rename your device name. Because this error is error duplicate name, so change your PC name. For example, tips how to, and click on next. Rename your PC. After USG start, your PC name will be changed to tips how to. Click on restart. You must choose restart your system. After restarting, your system name is completely changed and your problem error duplicate name definitely be resolved.